I bet you didn't know that constant fatigue could be a sign of B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is essential for your body, but many people don't realize they're not getting enough. So what should you look out for? First off, fatigue and weakness. If you're tired even after a good night's sleep, it could be a B12 issue. Next, neurological problems like numbness, tingling, or muscle weakness. Struggling with balance or coordination, that's another clue. Then there are cognitive changes, memory problems, confusion, and difficulty making decisions. Psychological symptoms like depression and anxiety can also pop up. In severe cases, even dementia. Don't forget digestive issues, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and loss of appetite. Got a sore or red tongue, mouth ulcers, or pain? That's another sign. Even your vision and skin can be affected. Blurred vision and pale or yellowish skin. If you suspect a B12 deficiency, see your GP for a proper diagnosis. Early treatment can prevent permanent damage. Stay healthy, folks.